Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by checking the Windows build and creating a system restore point so you can recover if needed. Once done, back up the registry key for Explorer to avoid permanent changes. Now open Registry Editor as an administrator. This gives you the permissions to modify taskbar behavior. You're not just clicking blindly. This ensures you can revert. Make sure to pause and confirm the backup completed before changing values, so you won't lose settings or personalization later. You'll edit the advanced keys to adjust size and alignment. For example, set taskbar C to 0 for small icons and taskbar enabled to 0 to re-enable classic behavior where applicable. If you need pixel-perfect layout, export StuckRex 3 and edit the binary to change alignment bits, but only if comfortable with binary edits. Once changes are saved, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to apply them. This step forces Windows to read the new values and show the updated taskbar immediately. Finish by verifying the taskbar now resembles the older layout and adjust taskbar C if spacing needs fine-tuning. If icons misalign or taskbar is unstable, delete StuckRex 3 and restart Explorer to reset the layout, then reapply your preferred Word values. If the registry edits don't achieve the exact classic look, use your exported backup or a system restore to revert safely. As a troubleshooting tip, try a reputable third-party tool like Explorer Patcher only if you understand the trade-offs and can undo changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.